Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Unlimited. So children, today we'll be solving lesson number 6 of your workbook in a biscuit factory. So are you ready? Okay, very good. First of all, we have an activity project over here, children. So the first one is make a flow chart that shows how biscuits are made in a factory. So we'll see it stepwise, children. First is get a recipe. Second one, get the ingredients. Third, weight the ingredients according to recipe. Fourth one, mix the things, make a dough. Fifth one, knead the dough. Sixth one, roll out the dough. Seventh one, cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. Eighth step is bake the dough shape in an oven. Ninth step is cool the ready biscuits. 10th one is see if the biscuits are baked properly. 7th step is pack the biscuits into the packets. And the last step is store and sell the packets. Okay? Let's see the next question. Question number 2. Write the meanings of the following words. The first one is factory. The meaning of factory is a place where goods are made. Recipe. A set of instruction that tells you how to cook. Third one is ingredients. The meaning of ingredients is the items that are used to make a particular type of food. Next is knead. It means to press or stretch dough with your hands. Next is dough. What is the meaning of dough? A mixture of flour, water, etc. Okay. Let's see the next one. Question number 3. Prepare a simple flow chart, 3 to 5 steps for any task of your choice. Okay. So first we need to write quick noodles. Next step is boil water. Next step is add noodle into water. Then stir well. Then add masala and then serve. Okay. Then we have question number 4. Read the recipe on page 12 of the textbook for making naan khatai. Make a list of all the ingredients to prepare naan khatai at home as instructed in the recipe. Okay, so children, we are going to write the ingredients over here. Okay, so which are the ingredients over here? 1 cup maida, 3 to 4 tablespoon besan, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half cup melted ghee and 1 cup sugar. Okay. Then we have question number 5. Collect a few wrappers of different kind of biscuits or cookies. Paste them in your scrapbook. Note and write the following below each wrapper. Attempt 1 here. Okay. So the first one is the name of the biscuit. Parle-G. The name of the company that makes it? Parle. Okay. The price mentioned on the packet, ₹5. The date of packing or manufacturing is PKD 18/2/23. Okay. And then we have batch number NR 18A. Okay. Then we have the use by date 6 months from the date of packing. Then ingredients maida, sugar, milk, ghee, baking soda, wheat flour, salt, glucose, etc. And the 7th one is place where the biscuits are made, Mumbai. Okay children, so you can copy it in your workbook. That's all for lesson number 6 in a biscuit factory. So children, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel, like it, share it with your friends who need it. See you soon children. Take care of yourself. Bye everyone.